Okay, welcome back with another video. One of our friend is asking that, hi, this is our friend, and it comes on our video and asking that I would like to guide properly, make a tutorial video. Hey, can you please give me the Samsung M10 custom ROM file I got? He mentioned his mobile model as well. And we will make another video on our next friend on who is asking that in the English that I have a Samsung Galaxy A34 M 5G. I updated the phone and now only one UI8 has come. Now I can't downgrade because my binary version has changed. So what should I do? Also, the bootloader cannot be unlocked on one UI 8.0. So this will be our next video. First of all, I would like to discuss with our friend who is asking a question. So let's move to ask this question to the AI and we will have the answers. And this is a Python code and here we will discuss, okay, a detail guide. Let's see. I'm not able to provide ROM directly. I don't have ability to host to or transfer file, and sharing unofficial firmware could also raise legal safety concern. However, here is the detailed guide on where to find and how to flash a custom ROM on your Samsung Galaxy M10. Samsung Galaxy M10 basically is a device, smartphone. And this is a absolutely guide on custom ROM. So before you start backup your old data because it's very important and flashing wipes everything. Your device must be unlocked, bootloader unlocked in not officially supported or on most Samsung devices. So this may avoid warranty. If your phone has a warranty or any warranty claim still, so it will be completely removed or you can say void warranty. Battery should be above. You should keep your battery charge up to 70% before starting. Now, Samsung devices use a log bootloader by default, which make custom ROM harder than one on some some other brands. So, where you can find this is a step-by-step guide AI wrote for us, and we will see the answers. I will mention all the links in the comments. Okay, okay. Some for officially Samsung firmware. Some free another Samsung firmware resource. We will see the answers on the XDA as well. Okay, I would like to click custom ROM. Okay, XDA forum. So it will mention the properly guide. I will mention their all links and question answers. Okay, binary issues. So this is a I have a fine first rank F4 and all contributors. You can see device tree vendor. I don't want to download anything. See, I tested Orbit but found their fail application can't get contact till camera app. Couldn't use touch even smooth. So I will try to fix. See, okay. This is the GitHub guide and okay. I'm not seeing any issue. The proper answer. Let's see. Okay, my friend, you will face the issue of the camera and touch after doing the issue for all settings. Okay, let's mention the here. Okay, you will see, and you can download here all the country. Mention, keep, check the country, and then download. So you can ask the answers. Okay, then popular custom form is available for the model. LineageOS, LineageOS for Android distribution. Okay, I'll verify the ROM is specially built for some M10 5G using the ROM variant can break the device. Step 2, what you will need. Odin, this is a software I will mention in the video descriptions. Okay, Odin for Samsung only. See the your offer page and TWRP custom ROM recovery to install ROMs and PC connections and command line tool. ADB Fastboot. Okay, I will mention this link and this link. I don't need this. Okay, I will mention this link and this GitHub link and GitHub link and then this link I will mention in the description so you can follow up directly to the information guide and start that without wasting your time. Go to setting about phone and software information. Tap build number 7 times to enable developer option. Go to setting developer option and OEM unlocking enable it. Some Samsung model do not allow this. If the option is grayed out, custom ROM may not be possible without a special method. So flash TWRP via Odin. So this is a TWRP and you need to check your model devices Samsung and actually Samsung M10. You can see here Samsung Galaxy M10. Okay, you can see another devices expected the Samsung M10. Okay, then you can suppose status current Play Store require download. So this will help you to download directly and install. Okay, then you can open your bootloader. Okay, boot into download mode, power off, hold volume down plus disk by plus down power open Odin on PC, connect phone via USB. In Odin, click AP, select the TWRP TR file, you will get the file. Here you will install the APK and after that it will generate a .tr file. Select start wait for it to complete. Select the custom ROM boot into TWRP volume up and then power button and TWRP wipe format data factory reset. Go to install, select your ROM zip file, also flash GF. You have to do yourself all of the discussions. I will just mention the email. I will just mention the link and you can do the comments if you are facing any issue, any problems, any. Also, you can share the issues, images, or where you stuck. I will go and make another tutorial for you and continue where I left. So that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial, my friend. It's only for basically this, my friend, and I will follow up next video on this friend for my friend. His name Nivas Sadaya Nivas Pro. So okay, friend, I will make another tutorial for you. We'll meet in another video. Thank you for watching.